people did it, it did not mix completely,
That's what I
and
told
it
them.
was not hardened. So
One
what if
way
this thing will not harden? What should we do? Remove it again?
Not pay for that, but one way did, I mean, in January, Abuja, and now,
All is up.
So, what I'm asking,
the strength
all of you is listening. What if
is not added.
it's not hardened? You will remove it and replace?
You know, don't hold me by my speech, but I'm not sure.
Because I'm just want to anticipate the worst scenario. What if this thing will not be hardened because it is not mixed completely?
Suppose we can have a uniform mix.
So, but
So
so
you have
far,
control. You can promise that it will be hardened.
No, I'm not, because I'm still learning.
You see?
I'm still learning
You
under
know? That's why we're saying.
No,
What is that?
I'm not perfect. I'm still
Oh,
learning.
see, that's why. What is the specification said?
So this is the one they should.
Oh, you see? So, one of these, two of these. What is the...
What I mean is that any quantity of this one will be
Where is your measuring guide? The one is
That's
the
why that's why you hold me now. Because that's how I'm measuring.
Yeah, see? Jawad, it is a record. What if you have to... What? Just pray to God that it will be
sure
hardened.
that it must harden.
That's why, because it happened many times, so...
I'm not what you're saying.
That's what I told you this morning, that it happened already to us.
You know what we did, my friend? We removed it from our stairs.
Okay?
The one we did that was not hardened because he was the witness. I'm the witness. He is the witness. So we want to make sure that